Have you ever wondered what it feels like when your heart and your mind truly move together as if they were playing the same song? Most of the time, our thoughts run in one direction and our feelings in another. But when they connect, something changes. You feel calmer, clearer, and more open to the life you wish to create. Today, I will guide you into that space where your heart and mind can resonate as one, and where you can plant the seeds of your future. Here are some simple instructions before we begin. If we begin, just follow my instructions into a beautiful and deep relaxation. But not yet. Before this, find a quiet, comfortable place. You may sit in a chair, on a sofa, or lie down in bed. Allow your spine to be natural and relaxed. Place your hands by your sides, palms open. Even your legs want to rest now. So simply let them be, uncrossed and relaxed. That's right. Feel the support beneath you, the chair, the bed, the sofa, holding your weight completely. Feel that you are absolutely safe. If so, tell this to yourself now. Begin noticing your breath, just the way it is, natural, gentle. Allow yourself to relax the way you've done 1,000 times before, like drifting toward sleep or letting go after something meaningful. Now you're ready. Let's begin. Begin by taking a quick deep breath in and slowly, very slowly exhaling. Feel the air move in and out like the tide of the ocean. Each breath carries you deeper into this calm state. Allow the inhale to come naturally, quick and easily. And let the exhale flow out so slowly, as if time itself is softening. With every slow release, everything around you relaxes, because you are relaxing more and more. Deeper and deeper you feel this relaxation in your body. With each and every breath, you feel more pleasant, more at ease. Notice now how your body has already relaxed, and ask yourself gently, what is the most relaxed part of me right now? Allow that feeling to spread, flowing outward as if the rest of your body is learning from that one place of deep ease. Now, notice each part of your body learning to relax. Feel your feet, heavy, warm, relaxed. Feel your legs, releasing any tension. Your body knows how to let go, and it's doing so beautifully. Your hips sink deeper into the chair or floor. Your abdomen softens, rising and falling naturally with the breath. Your chest expands with life and releases. Your shoulders melt down, away from your ears. Relax them even more. Your arms rest heavy, hands open. Your jaw loosens. It doesn't have to say nothing for a while. Your forehead smooths and feels good. Your whole face softens. You're doing it fine. With each breath, you're more at ease. You go deeper and deeper in this beautiful state of relaxation. And again, double your relaxation with taking 3 slow, conscious breaths here, letting everything around you fade away. Now bring your attention to your chest, to the space of your heart. Place a hand lightly there if you wish. As you breathe, imagine the breath flowing in and out of your heart. With each inhale, life enters. With each exhale, calm spreads. Listen and feel deeply. Can you sense the gentle rhythm of your heart? The pulse, the beat, the drum of life? Stay with it. Now, silently add words in rhythm with your heart. When you feel the lub, think, I am. When you feel the dub, think, safe. Lub, I am. Dub, safe. Lub, I am. Dub, safe. Breathe and repeat. Let this become your inner song. Your heart and your mind are beginning to pulse as one. Now, gently shift your focus. Imagine a future moment you wish to create. See it not as far away, but as if it is already here. You are living it. See the details, the place. Look and see every detail, the light, and if there are people, the people around you. Hear the sounds of this moment. Just enjoy every detail now. Feel the textures, feel the emotions in your body, if you were there already. As your heart beats, let each pulse imprint this reality into your being. Your heart is a drum, sending magnetic waves out into the field around you, smoothing the path to the future. Your brain is the tuner, shaping the message. Together they broadcast. This future is real. This future is me. Rest in this state for a while. Let your breath be steady. Let your heart be calm. Feel yourself radiating, sending out, receiving back.
sending out. Receiving back. Sending out. Receiving back. sending out,
Now gently bring this vision closer into your chest. Like a warm light, place it in your heart. It belongs to you. It is within you. It is already unfolding. Remember what you have seen, heart and emotionally felt. Keep that in your conscience or inconscience now. Slowly now, let go of the vision and return to the simple rhythm of your breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel your body resting where it is. Bring awareness to your feet, to your legs, to your hips and abdomen, to your chest, shoulders, arms, and hands. Feel your whole body alive, breathing, connected. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch gently if you wish. When you are ready, take a deep, full breath in and exhale with a sigh, releasing, but remembering everything. Slowly open your eyes. Return now to this space, fresh, renewed, bringing with you the calm, the connection, and the seed of your future already alive within you.